crew, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my newbies. Today I am going to be showing you a crochet style. So here you see me cutting the hair in half because she wanted the hair to be short and not extra long. As you can see, her hair is already braided into the crochet pattern that I'm going to be doing, and I'm using the free tress braid hair in deep twist 22 inches today, and this is the color TP1300, I believe, with burgundy and black. When you are folding the hair, you want to fold it unevenly so the side that you cut does not show too much. Now I am going to put the open crochet hook through the braid, and then I'm going to hook the hair on the end of the hook. Now I'm going to close the clasp and pull it through the braid. Now I'm going to grab the loop, and I'm going to grab one side of the hair and pull it through the loop in order to make a knot to secure the hair to her real hair. The side that you pulled through the loop, you want to tie it one more time just to make sure it is secure. This is not tying a knot around her real hair, it is just tying a knot around the crochet hair. Another way that you can secure the hair is just by pulling both strands through the loop and leaving it like that. I feel like this is not as secure, but it is another way to secure the hair. In order for the hair to be full but not bulky, you want to put more hair around the fronts and the perimeter areas versus the middle. The middle of the hair to the back can have less hair because it won't be seen as much. As I move to the front, I am putting the hair closer together. I am also using smaller pieces of hair, being that there will be more hair in that area. When you get to the front, you want to make sure that wherever the hair is going to be parted is full and that none of the braid is showing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me down a comment below letting me know if you've ever tried crochet and would you like to try crochet. Crochet is a great protective style if you don't want to have your regular hair out. Till the next video.